Hi, my name is Anya. I'm a food photographer and stylist and a food blogger. And today I'm gonna give you some insights on one of the biggest mistakes I see new food photographers make. And let me tell you, I wasn't an exception. So one of the biggest mistakes I see new food photographers make is not really thinking about their main subject and not making them a hero or a focal point of their image. So the main subject should always be the focal point of your image, no matter how many props you have in your frame. Actually, the more complicated your scene is, the more props and elements you have, the easier it is to make this mistake. There's a number of reasons why this could happen. Let's see an example. So this is one of the first images I took for my blog. These are some super delicious chewy Guinness caramels, but you can't really see it because it's all wrapped in a wrap. I wasn't thinking about what about the hero dish is actually important, so it's not really the wrap, it's the caramel. So in this second image, I've opened up a few caramels so the viewers can see them, and the image is a bit better, but everything that's happening around is still overpowering. The big glass and the can in the back, the big bowl on the side, they all compete with the caramel in the front. Let's see the third photo. I've zoomed in a little bit and I've gotten a little bit more depth of field, which is making the stuff around the caramel less obvious and also less prominent. I mean, it's far from a perfect photo. I was just starting out, but through showcasing the caramels in the front and keeping distractions away, blurred in the back, I was able to keep the focus on the caramels, not the props. And I also kept the storytelling, which is also nice. Let's see another photo from the same photo shoot. Again, the caramels should be where our eye goes, but that's definitely not the case in this image. So first of all, the caramels are not even in focus. I missed the focus and placed it on the top of the glass, so now what's in focus is the beer head instead of the caramels. And second thing, I've placed the caramel too close to the edge of the frame, so kind of get lost in all the things that are happening inside this shot. And third, the caramel compared to everything else in the frame is very small, so it also gets lost in terms of size. So my tip for you, if you see yourself doing these kinds of mistakes, would be to first get really good at images that don't have so many elements, so many props, and really focus on your main subject. And also what I find really useful is to really start identifying your main subject. So before you even start taking any photos, try to really think about which subject in your photo, especially if you have many elements, is your main subject, your focal point of the image, and then review all of the images that you take a good look at them and see if the main subject you identified first is really the main subject of your image. So these were some common mistakes I see newbies do. I hope you found those tips useful. Let me know if you also do some kinds of mistakes, if you can identify them, or if you did in the past and how you overcame them. You can let me know in the comments below. So thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.